Hello pretty pixel people, it is Space once again, back with another video. I'm basically just responding to the two comments left on my first video regarding Topology from Marvelous Designer. So when you make your Marvelous Designer clothes, it's probably gonna have like really weird topology. It's probably not gonna look like this. Um, so how I did this is I'm using Marvelous Designer 8, by the way. I'm not sure if this is a feature in the previous versions. It probably is in the latest versions. But so how I did this basically is I just scroll down to in the property editor over here. I just scroll down and hit the miscellaneous tab, and then there's a mesh type thing. It's by default set to triangles. I think you can change it in the settings. But yeah, I just changed this to quad, and then I hit this remesh button, and then yeah, there you go. And then the second question is regarding topology, regarding the seams. So basically, just export that. I think someone said that they exported it as thin and all of that stuff. This all looks okay, so I'ma just hit okay, and then go over into Blender, and then import. I don't know how I remember that, but yeah. So basically, I think you said that the seams are breaking or something. Uh, So what you can do is, okay, so if you hit like L, if you hit L and do that, you see it's like moving because it's separated and you want it all to be the same, like one solid object. Just hit 1 on the keyboard to go into vertex select mode and edit mode, and then hit A, and then I think it's in yeah, hit mesh, and then under cleanup, hit merge by distance, and then you see it removed 234 vertices, and a lot of times it's because like the vertices are overlapping because it was sewn or whatever. So then when you hit L now, see how it's like all one piece? There's no more breaking up. Yeah. Uh, yeah, that's basically it.